Right now a 2000 rated player has sneaked into the world of 1200, watch as our predator aims at the victim's weak points, and takes them out with precision. Hello guys, today we will have our chess master play against 12 and 1300 level players, a level at which most of you guys are or are aiming to get to, so pay attention as he explains his thought process and how easy it is to find weaknesses and beat up these guys. You will learn a lot. Okay, game number 1. Hey man, do you know that I am 2000 rated? Wait, what? Nah, I'm just joking man, let's play a nice game. Oh okay, you scared me there for a second lol. Okay guys, let's start off with the English opening. Since we have a video out on this, make sure you go and check it out so you can learn how to play this as well. C4, F6, what the fuck is this? I've never seen this move in my life. Why? It's a good move. It's a shit move, what are you on about? Okay anyway, let me show you guys how to generally play against random moves and win positions that you are not familiar with. Let's continue developing normally. What are you doing there? Attacking your horse. Can you not take my horse? I kinda like him. Okay, I won't. Thanks. What the fuck, you said you wouldn't take the horse? Well, I wasn't going to, but you attacked me. Okay, bishops are better than horses, anyway, so that's bad for you. Pawn, go take back.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, right now guys, I'm telling you this because you need to learn. Since we need space and these pawns are doubled, it's time that we push towards the center. And now we continue with taking the center with pawn e4. What the fuck, that's not e4.
Sorry king, I misclicked.
Okay, whatever, now we are going to play like this.
What are you doing there?
Pinning you.
You shall not pin.
Still pin, haha.
We'll take care of it later. Now we castle. What the fuck? You were pinning him, now you're not. Who told you to do that?
I just feel more comfortable here, you know.
Okay guys, we are castled nicely and safely. I think it's time that we strike. Pawn go. If you are wondering how is this move good, well, the diagonal he opens is pretty closed with pawns on e3 and d4, we have space on h2 to tuck the king in, and black's pieces are very far away from creating any sort of an attack, so we can attack like this and be safe. If he takes, we can choose what to take with, and he would be weakening his center, so this is a really good move in all regards. Okay, this move is pretty bad. Do you see what? First of all, it attacks nothing, not a single thing that isn't protected, and second of all, we can just attack him and push him back, so he wastes time and we gain extra space. Now we can also attack the bishop and get even more space. Pawn, go. More space. Okay, perfect, woman. Now it's time that we centralize you. Go ahead and defend that pawn.
Yes, my king.
Okay, now so what do you think guys, should we take this pawn?
Yes.
Obviously not man, let him take us and we can undouble our pawns. Let's just develop the bishop. Okay, what do we do now? We put the rookies on open files. Go back bishop, let's save you.
Thank you, you are very kind.
Rookie boy, attack that knight.
Can you not call me rookie boy?
Rookie boy. Okay, think it's time to keep attacking on the king's side. Pawns, go. Lol, what's funny? What square was that knight guarding before you moved him? What do you mean? I mean, was that knight guarding anything important? No, I don't think so. He was guarding this square. Oh,
Why did you tell me to move king? Now my brother will fall.
I didn't tell you to move, you moved without asking for permission.
Oh hell no, I'm out of here.
Oh fuck, I surrender. But how did you find that move? Couldn't you have just allowed me to move the knight? No, what the hell, you need to get better. How can I get better? Go down below and join the top chess army. In our school you have a real chess master who is going to help you personally to increase elo and get in the top 1%. Also we have competitions going on with rewards, so go fast down below and thank me later. Okay, can we change colors now? What? So you are racist? I'm not racist, I just don't like black. What do you not like? Okay, chill, I'll play as black now. Okay guys, now the sides are switched. Whatever he plays I will play the hippo opening, on which you also have a video out, so go ahead and check it out. All in all, we will just play solid defense and wait for him to make a mistake. Let's do the fianchetto thingy with the bishops. Beautiful bishop slicing the board. What are you even doing? Why, do you think this is bad? Yes, you are giving me the center. Just shut up and let me do my thing. Now it's time to get our knights over here to chill out with the queen and the king. What are you doing there?
Me? Just hanging around.
Do you really think I will let you take my c7 pawn?
What pawn?
Oh, shut up, I block your attack.
Get out now. No space for your pieces on this file.
Okay guys, if you watched the hippo opening video you know what to do now. We are blocking the center.
King, I am under attack. What do I do?
Don't care, Lul.
I am under attack.
Okay, I will help protect you.
So you protect him but don't tell me what to do.
Yes, he is my guardian and I will help him. You are out there in the front lines, you have to deal with it yourself. Lol, what is that move? I'm attacking you, why are you laughing? Yes, but now that pawn is no longer protecting this knight, and my bishop is aiming literally exactly on this diagonal.
I'm in danger!
And to open up the bishop, I can take your pawn, attacking your bishop as well, so you will have two pieces under attack. Okay, wait, can you not do it and I will give you $10. What am I gonna do with $10? Buy your queen some flowers or something. You have a good point. Okay, I will take your bribe, but only for one turn. Are you retarded? Why did you take that pawn? Now I can still do the same thing. Fuck, I forgot, I got scared. You know what? I'm doing it now. I don't care, you had your chance. Now I'm up a piece and winning the game. You do know that trading women off just helps me. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Lol, are you on drugs? What? Why? The knight, you left him hanging as well. Knight, move fast.
But it's not our turn yet.
Can you just do it somehow?
No, sorry, I must die now. You shall carry me on your soul forever.
There you go guys, that is how easy it is to beat 1200s on chess.com. If you watched our videos on the hippo and English opening and started using them, you should already be farming these guys like we are playing Farming Simulator. And if you want to get even better, go down below and join the top chess school where you can learn from a real master, as he will help you personally with all your questions. Go fast. See you there.
Ha ha ha!